Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today's recipe is veg sizzler in soya chili sauce. This recipe has 3 elements. So first we are going to stir fry the vegetables. For this I have taken some blanched vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, beans, mushrooms, potatoes and some cabbage leaves, carrots. And if you want to know how I have blanched the vegetables, let me know in the comment section below. And half cup of fried tofu or paneer. Now in a wok add 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used here olive oil. You can use any cooking oil. Now fry the blanched potatoes. It will give a nice flavor. Once the potatoes are slightly brown in color, remove it. In the same pan add diced onion. Slightly saute it. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame. Add the color bell peppers. Here I have taken approximately half cup of colored bell peppers. Stir it for about a minute. Add the blanched vegetables, carrots. Make sure to add the hard vegetables first and the soft vegetables at the end. At this point the heat is on medium to high flame, because if you are cooking it on low flame it became soft and we want little crunch in the vegetables. So keep on stirring in between while adding the vegetables, and at the end I have added the mushrooms. Give it a quick mix. Make sure the heat is on high flame. Add the potatoes. Potatoes we have added at the end because we have already blanched and fried the potatoes. After that tofu or paneer. Give it a quick mix. At this point add 1.5 teaspoon of red chili sauce in the stir fried vegetables. Half teaspoon of salt. Make sure to add the salt little at a time. Now combine the sauce with the stir fried vegetables and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes while stirring in between. After 1 minute you have seen the stir fried vegetables are ready. Now remove it in a separate pan. Now for the third step we are going to stir fry the noodles. For this here I have taken some boiled noodles. Now in a wok add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any cooking oil. Let it hot. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Stir it. Make sure the heat is on high flame at this point. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Stir it until it slightly change its color. Once it is slightly brown in color, add 2 chopped green chilies. You can adjust the quantity according to your choice. 1 small diced carrot. Give it a quick stir, and half capsicum chopped in small pieces. After that add 2 finely chopped spring onions. Stir it for about couple of minutes. After that add the boiled noodles. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a quick mix. Add half teaspoon of salt, and now if you want to you can toss it. Now add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, and now with the help of this type of spatula mix everything and fried it for about another 1 minute and switch off the gas. Stir fried noodles are ready. Now move on to third step. Let's make soya chili sauce. For this here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any cooking oil. Chopped garlic 2 tablespoons. Chopped ginger 2 tablespoons. 4 green chilies chopped. 1.5 cup of water. Tomato ketchup or tomato sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. 1 finely chopped spring onion. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Now let's start preparing the sauce. For this take 1 saucepan. Add 1 tablespoon of any cooking oil. Let the oil hot. After that add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Make sure the heat is on low medium flame while cooking the soya chili sauce. Give it a quick mix and stir it for about a minute. After that add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. You can add little more if you want to. And now finally chop 2 green chilies and now stir it for about 1 to 2 minutes until the slight aroma starts coming from the oil. Add 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and give it a quick mix, and you will notice it starts bubbling after adding the sauce. Add 1.5 cup of water in it, give it a quick mix, cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts boiling. Keep on stirring in between. Once it starts boiling, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of water and prepare the slurry. Make sure there is no lumps. Once the slurry is ready, as you have seen here, add this into the sauce and now add half teaspoon of salt and quickly mix everything into the sauce. And now you have to cook this on low medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. And once you have seen it starts bubbling, it will take about 5 minutes and you will see the thickness of the sauce. It's start getting thick. Now cook it for another 1 minute. And this is the consistency of the sauce. Add finely chopped spring onion and mix it quickly, and you will notice we are looking for this type of consistency. At this point switch off the gas. Keep in mind the sauce became little thick after you have switched off the gas, so accordingly you have to set the thickness. Now let's prepare the sizzler pan. Here I have the sizzler pan. You can use sizzler plate also. I have got it from the local grocery store. It comes with the wooden plate as you have seen here. Now place this sizzler plate on the gas and heat on high flame for up to 4 to 5 minutes until the smoke starts coming. Place one water bowl by you. It might catch fire while adding the sauce. Now start adding the blanched cabbage leaves on the sizzler plate, and you have noticed the smoke starts coming. Now make sure the heat is on low flame at this point. If you are comfortable on high flame, then it's okay. And then start placing the stir fried vegetables on one side of the plate. Once you are happy with the quantity, add stir fried noodles. You can use stir fried rice in place of noodles, but my family likes stir fried noodles, so I have added the stir fried noodles. Now start adding the sauce that we have prepared, and as you are adding the soya chili sauce, it starts sizzling, and we are looking for this type of sizzling sound because it gives the smoky flavor into this recipe and makes this recipe different. And now garnish it with some spring onion greens as you have seen here. After that switch off the gas and now carefully remove this sizzler plate from the gas and place it onto the wooden plate that comes with the sizzler pan as you have seen here. After placing it carefully, and I will show you how the sauce is sizzling. This is how it looks like. Now you can further decorate it with some fried noodles or some fried potato fingers. Other than that, it is ready to serve. Make sure to serve the veg sizzler when it is hot and sizzling. That makes a difference when you are eating. And if you want to prepare ahead of time, you can prepare soya sauce, stir fried vegetables and stir fried noodles, and when any guest came or when you are ready to eat, serve it on the sizzler plate and serve it with some soya chili sauce. And this is the easy way to make vegetable sizzler at home. And if you like this delicious recipe of vegetable sizzler, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.